PennEnvironment held a press conference on Wednesday afternoon, September 21st, to release their report that ranks 7 Pennsylvania cities among the smoggiest cities nationwide. That report is called Danger in the Air. Meredith Meisenheimer, Preservation Associate for the company, explains PennEnvironment's mission and the nature of their report.
PennEnvironment is a statewide, citizen-based environmental advocacy organization working for clean air, clean water, and open spaces. I'm joined today by Pennsylvania Representative Ken Smith, and we're here today to release Danger in the Air, a new PennEnvironment report that highlights the public health threats of ozone pollution, a primary component of smog. Our report ranks cities in Pennsylvania and across the country according to the number of days when the air was unhealthy to breathe last year and this summer due to smog pollution. And it includes new data that actually shows the problem was even worse than the public thought. Our message today is clear. Pennsylvanians deserve clean air. Our report finds that 2 cities in Pennsylvania rank among the top 20 smoggiest large metropolitan areas in the country, and that 5 cities rank among the top 30 smoggiest medium metropolitan areas. In total, there were 35 days in Pennsylvania in 2010 when at least part of the state saw smog levels exceed the health standard. What's even more alarming is that the problem's worse than the public thought. Our report shows that on 5 additional days last year, residents in the Scranton area were exposed to smog levels that scientists say are dangerous. But because of outdated federal air quality rules, those at risk were never alerted to the danger. Actually, the air in Scranton isn't as bad as a lot of other cities in Pennsylvania, but the fact that there are any days in Scranton where it's unsafe to breathe is simply unacceptable. We need to make sure that every day is a safe day to breathe.
Representative Ken Smith of the 112th District also gave his input on the report.
I'm delighted to join PennEnvironment in addressing the importance of air quality. As a young boy, I suffered from childhood asthma induced by environmental allergies. It is my belief that it is our basic right to have access to clean air and safe water. Remember, we can create many things through technology, but clean air and safe water cannot be manufactured. Pennsylvania ranks 6th in the nation with high smog days. Pollution from cars and trucks account for 1/3 of smog-forming nitrogen oxide emissions in the United States. Moving forward, let us be conscious, as a government, both state and federal government, make sure we put the safeguards and the resources into making sure we don't repeat the sins of the past.
Meisenheimer explains how people can prevent this problem if they feel strongly about it.
People can write to their members of Congress and tell them to oppose any attacks on the Clean Air Act, and tell them that they